This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. Great street appeal west/traditional brick home on beautiful large lot west/8 wood fence and electric gate. Excellent Memphis location on quiet street. Sellers have replaced HVAC, put in new driveway, irrigation system, appliances, recessed lighting, plantation shutters along west/new fence and gate. Everything is on the first floor except fourth bedroom, bath. Living room west/fireplace, dining room, den west/fireplace, playroom, kitchen, 3 BRS, 2 baths. Detached 2-car carport. Pre-listing inspection attached to listing. Showings Friday morning. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.